Marketing agencies have a dirty secret. The biggest bottleneck in their entire operation isn't their strategy, it isn't client approvals, it's production, getting assets made. Here's how the smartest agencies solve this problem in 2026 with InVideo. So make sure that you stay tuned until the end of this video so you can see how good InVideo actually is. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm logged in right now to NVIDIA and this is how the dashboard will present itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain step by step how good their multi-brand agency production workflow really is. And in this video, we are going to scroll down and we are going to be focusing on the advertising studio. And I'm going to be showcasing how good it is at creating two different campaigns for two different products for a marketing agency. So without further ado, let's hop in there and we'll click this advertising studio so I can actually show you guys how it works. So as you can see, you can play around right here. You can see all trends, advertising studio, camera controls, and you have so many different tools or features that you can actually use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select one of these right now and I'm going to upload two different products. Going to do one tech product and I'm going to do one skincare product, and I'm going to show you how good InVideo actually is at creating two different campaigns, even though this is the same account and the same marketing agency. And the creative director agent within the advertising studio completely collapses the traditional multi-person agency production chain into a single automated workflow. So it will cut you the cost and it will save you the time and the headache to do it with multiple different people and to take all that time to actually go and do it for different brands or for different products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one of these advertising studios right here, like the logo designer or photography, as you can see right here, hero shot, 3D product view. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to upload two products. Like I said earlier, a tech one as well as a skincare one. I'm going to upload prompts. And then after that, I will show you the results of the same workflow and how we can actually give you two completely different results. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to go to the catalog photography. I'm going to say new and then I'm going to say skincare. All right. So we've done that and we are going to say create project. So once we have done that, now what I'm going to do is I am going to go and I'm going to paste in my prompt, and then I can actually go and I can upload an image as well. So I just pasted in my prompt right here and I uploaded a picture as well. So you can actually go, you can go right here and you can choose between the video and image. So as you can see, they have Nano Banana 2. They have all of these Nano Banana Pro. You can go back, you can see Sora 2 Pro and many different AI versions. So we're just going to choose that for this case, and then we are going to say generate. So now we are going to give it a couple of minutes. It's literally going to generate it. It's probably going to ask me one or two questions. And once that is done, I'll show you this. And I'm going to do this with a tech product as well. And they'll have two completely different styles and two completely different campaigns. Okay guys, so I've given it like 2 minutes and now I'm going to go back and I'm actually going to view the video. So as you can see, there is my prompt that I put in. Look at this, an amazing video. Boom, look at that. Literally by just giving it a simple prompt, look at how good that actually looks. It's really high quality, it's really engaging. You can see the product clearly. It has some movement as well to keep the engagement. So I really think that this is a great video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this again, but I'm going to do this with a different product, and I'm literally going to do it right here in the same workflow. So I'm not even going to change. I'm not going to open a different tab, nothing. I'm going to upload a different product image, going to keep Kling 3.0 video version, and I'm just going to upload a different prompt. So let me do that and let me get back to you in a second. So what I've done now is I've actually gone and I've uploaded and pasted my prompt right here. I've put in some AirPods, which is wireless earbuds, and then I've changed this to the hero shot. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create this as well. And as you can see, it's in the same workflow right here. And we are going to have a look at the result literally within a couple of minutes. And I'll show you that it actually gives you two different results. So the creative director agent will actually go in, it will adjust its creative thinking or creative decision making according to the brief. So for example, this skincare product will get a completely different visual than the tech one, just because of the brief, and it will actually go and it will do that creative thinking for you, where you don't actually have to go and change much because InVideo will do it all for you. And guys, the great thing is that the workflow is completely identical, but the outcome is way different and it is so brand specific. So that's what makes it so good. Your workflow stays the same and you can do different brands, different campaigns, and it's literally in the same workflow. So you don't have to change anything. You can get way different results, as I explained, with the creative director agent, making different decisions based on your prompt. Okay guys, so the video is finished now. I'm going to click on the result and you will see the result right now. It's actually amazing how good this video is. Literally within a couple of minutes, it did that, and it's so creative, so good, high quality. You can see right here. By just doing a different prompt, it looks like two different brands, two completely different styles. Okay guys, so last but not least, I'm going to show you the 360 product video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste in the prompt right here, and then I'm going to go right here and go to Advertising Studio, and then we are going to select the 360 product video. So let me just paste in my prompt again. There we go. And then we can actually upload a photo. I'm just going to upload the screenshot of a cold pressed juice bottle, and then all I have to do is go to the section where it says unlimited, and that is going to create. So as you can see, it's in the same workflow, and we have 3 different trends as well. Okay guys, as you can see, it's now generating your 360 product video. So I'm going to give it a couple of minutes. I'm going to come back to you with the result. Okay guys, so as you can see, the video is now finished. So we are going to go and we are going to check out the video. So this will be the 360 rotating video for the product. And as you can see, that is pretty cool. You can still read all of the words, and I uploaded 2 images so you can see the front and the back, and it actually looks insane. It's really, really good quality, and it was done within minutes. 2 completely different brands, 2 completely different visual worlds, the same workflow and the same agent. Every preset on Advertising Studio is completely free right now on InVideo. The link will be in the description of this video. So if you're running a creative agency, try briefing the creative director agent on one of your current products and see what it can deliver. All right, let's get back to the video. And this is perfect if you're using Advertising Studio, because if you have a marketing agency, they don't just have one product or one brand. They have 10 or 25 or many different ones. So they would need multiple different campaigns and multiple different visuals. So this is where Advertising Studio comes in, because you can literally create different campaigns, different visuals, different brands, different storytelling with one workflow. So that is why Advertising Studio is really that good. And the good thing is that the creative director agent doesn't need to be rebriefed on what Amazon is, for example, and what it requires versus what a catalog needs. It already knows that. All you have to do is you have to brief it on the brand, the deliverable, and the product. So it will handle the creative decision making all by itself, and it will do everything autonomously. And this will literally cause your business to do a 10x in output with the same team, and not cutting corners, not cutting quality, and you'll still get a higher volume with good quality with the same team, and you'll save so much time, money, and even just save yourself a headache. Okay guys, and now I'm going to explain to you what this actually does to an agency economics. So now I'm going to explain a traditional agency production, right? So it starts off with the brief, then it goes to the internal creative director, then it goes to the art director, the freelance photographer, and then a studio booking, a shoot, retouch, revisions, and then you get delivered. And that happens per client, per format, and per campaign. But with the creative directive agent, right? You start with the brief, you generate, and you deliver. So the entire middle of the chain is literally collapsed. So that saves you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. So for project-based agencies, this means faster turnaround times, lower production costs, and even higher margin on your projects. Guys, I'm going to give you a last list of the competitive advantages. If you're an agency and you join this right now, all of the advantages that you will get and how it will actually help and boost your agency to the next level. So agencies that build the Advertising Studio into their production pipeline will now have a faster turnaround, a lower production cost, and even higher volume and higher margin per campaign or per project. So this means that you'll run rings around your competitors because you don't have to go through the whole process that I just previously explained. So client pitches become more powerful. So you can produce a campaign quality visual for a pitch without even committing a production budget. And onboarding new clients becomes easier and quicker, and first asset deliverables will be in hours and literally not in days or weeks or even months. And the agencies that are winning right now are the ones that are treating this creative directive agent as a infrastructure and not as a shortcut. So if I was you and you saw how good this really is, I would go and check them out right now, because you saw that InVideo and Advertising Studio is really powerful. If you're running a marketing agency and you're still managing a full production chain for every client campaign, Advertising Studio will completely change your economics. It's completely free on InVideo right now. The link will be in the description of this video, so go and check them out. And their paid plans are actually built for the output volume that agencies really need. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a like and smash that bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.